What's going on, everyone? It's been a fat minute. I know. But anyways, it's only been like 5 months, give or take. But anyways, I guess there's a little update on the car. I haven't really done much to it, visual-wise, performance-wise, meh. It's been 5 months. So I guess it's about time I give you guys a little update on what I've done to the car. You know what I'm saying? Alright, well, here's the car. Visual wise, I did put the splitter on. I put the side skirts, put diffuser fins from Fiesta. This from what, Vega Motorsports. I painted this myself. You know, I was gonna get it powder coated, but for the money it's gonna cost a little bit too much, you know. It was rattle canned. Honestly, it didn't turn out too bad, you know. And then I got these splitter rods. Don't even remember what they're from or where they're from, but they're pretty heavy duty, you know. They do the job. Can't even move. I already drove it San Diego, everywhere. Still on. They're pretty good. Well, there's the side skirts. Here's the diffuser fins. Velocitech. I don't know if you can even see them, to be honest. Focus. No, I don't know. I can't see it on the cameras on my end, so. But yeah, there's the exhaust. Still sounds mean. I haven't done much to the inside. Let me get the hood popped really quick. It's dirty. Don't judge. Oh, yeah, and there's the access port. That's a pretty heavy hood. Okay, well, other than that, the motor's pretty stock, basic stuff, you know. Did add this Mishimoto intake. It was a pain in the butt. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I'll be right back. I don't know why they put pop rods in this thing. Or prop rods. Oh my god. Anyways. But yeah, did put this thing on. Everything was fairly easy to put on. To be honest, it was pretty easy. The only annoying part was this intake duct. It was such a pain in the butt. Honestly, it kind of cracked a little bit, you know, a little bit of crazy glue. Didn't hurt anybody. Yeah, me and my little brother put this on. It was a pain in the butt. Just this, honestly. But with a little bit of elbow grease, it went in, you know what I'm saying? And also, I doubt you're gonna be able to see it, but I did put a Wish Motorsports short shifter. I don't know, I just blanked out right there. But, oh yeah. I'm also running a Dizzy tune. I would do E30, but we don't have that here at all. Like, there's nowhere near. Like, I would literally have to drive like an hour just to get anything close to E30, and I don't feel like doing that, you know. So, oh yeah, and then also my battery crapped out. I had to get another one. But yeah, other than that, nothing much more. The Dizzy tune, all I can say is you do feel a little bit difference. It's not like gonna be like crazy much. It's a cob, but give or take, it does sound. It gives a little bit different noise. It does sound a little meaner. And yeah, you know what? On a little warning note, make sure you put your prop rod all the way flat down, cause then that happens. It does not look good. I already. But other than that, I guess there's an update on the car. I mean, it does look a little more aggressive with the splitter, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, I guess that's all on my car. That's all. Oh my god, there's a leaf. There's multiple leaves. Take those out. But, you know, there's a little update on my car. You know, I really don't drive this. I drive that work truck over there now. I hardly have time to drive my car. And it's super hot outside right now. I'm like burning my ass off. But yeah, I guess that's my update. I'll probably have updates on, like, you know, little reviews on it. Honestly, the intake, you're not gonna really. It's a closed air box, so you're not really gonna hear much. Yeah, I mean, there is a little more whistle, but it's not crazy. The short shifter, it's obviously shorter throws. That's honestly, no, it's actually a lot shorter. It gives it a different driving experience. I like it. And then the tune, well, it's You feel a little bit more torque, I guess. I don't know. It just feels a little more peppy, I guess you can say. Not crazy, but it does change it a little bit. It makes it a little bit more fun, I guess you can say. And if there's a lot of wind noise, I apologize for that, because you know it's windy out here and it's super hot. Summer's coming up and it's getting hot now. I do have a little bit more plans for this thing, but I guess for now that's it. Not much has gone on, but I do got something planned. Hopefully I'll hopefully record that. I'll promise I'll start trying to record a little more, update you guys on this a little bit more. I guess that's it. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I don't know, do whatever your heart desires, to be honest. But yeah, peace out guys, thanks for watching.